consumption increase has shown some quite encouraging signs, especially from the retail sales. I think some of the indicators, including tourism and the relaxation of some visa for certain countries, will definitely help people-to-people exchange and also tourism industry.
China is a very strong market, a huge market, we know that, but it's not only huge, but there is also purchasing power. And this is of course most important for companies to have good revenues and have good profits, and China is for that very much important.
China's steady economic growth this year has been a source of confidence for the global economy. Despite challenges in the international economic landscape, China has shown remarkable resilience and vitality. For countries like Tanzania and others in the developing world, this economic performance serves as a significant driver for global recovery.
Eh bien, la Chine a joué un rôle central dans l'émergence d'une économie mondiale mondialisée et connectée. Elle s'est imposée comme un acteur majeur grâce notamment à ses politiques de soutien aux technologies de pointe qui concernent l'intelligence artificielle, que cela concerne la blockchain ou la 5G, mais également aussi grâce à ses investissements massifs dans l'innovation technologique et puis aussi grâce à son rôle actif dans le développement des infrastructures numériques mondiales.